Hey Cancer, we're going to see what is going on, and keep in mind that energies can be vice versa, friend, family, coworker. So it looks like you have someone that you have already dealt with. Now this can be, you have the Two of Cups by the Queen of Wands, but this can be a friend, family, it can be anyone. But I feel like you're going to get a text, you're going to get a call, something. Someone wants to come talk to you, possibly go hang out. They may want to rebuild and work on this relationship with you. And this might be kind of shocking to you. So I want to get more on this Queen of Wands. So some of you could be dealing with a Leo, but you don't have to be. I feel like this is someone you possibly don't trust. Maybe you've already taken a break from this person. Let's see, Queen of Wands. So, I feel like you don't deal with this person. You've cut yourself free from this person. I think they have some type of unhealed emotions, or they could be coming to you. Maybe you have something going on and they want to come, comfort you in a situation. So it can, you have to figure out wherever you fit. And maybe now they want to come and try to be in a relationship. But I think you ended something with whoever this was because they were toxic, very toxic. I think this person turned out to be who, it's like you judged them wrong. They weren't who you thought they were, I guess. So I do want to see why the moon's here. Cancer. Well, there could have been a betrayal that happened. I feel like someone found something out, possibly. Or, they could be worried that you're going to find something out. Let's see, why is the moon here? See, I have the Three of Pentacles. Well, so, there could have been a situation where someone else was involved, but maybe they were too coward to own up to something, possibly. It's like maybe this person just can't move on from you. Maybe they just want your attention. Okay. They could be still trying to hide that there was a third party, or that there still is a third party. So they may want to come to you maybe just to hook up. They like you, trying to romance you. They could see you as stability. They may ask you out for coffee or something. I don't know why I'm getting that. There's some type of So, for some of you, you could have suffered a loss, but for some, it's like this person, either they have betrayed you or they haven't changed and they're going to betray you. I feel like this person has a couple of different options. They could be stringing you along. Let me see what this Two of Cups is about, Cancer. So this could be someone from your past, someone that you've known for a while, someone that childhood, you know, you grew up with. Maybe this person's had an epiphany. Maybe they realize that you're their person. You're the one. You know, maybe they've been thinking of you. So this could be a friend, an old friend. Maybe they've just been thinking about you, and maybe they want to work on things, fix things. Just go hang out, get to know you better, or just reminisce, you know. Let me see. Why is this Justice card here? It's like they want things to go in their favor. They want things... Cancer. Cancer. Ooh, that's a lot. For some of you, this person they could be struggling. This person could be coming to you for finances for some. Maybe they've lost a job. I do feel like someone's watching you. Oh, goodness. Maybe someone judged you wrong. I keep seeing this Empress, Ten of Swords, Page of Swords reversed. Maybe there's some gossip. You could be dealing with a Taurus. Don't have to be Libra. Any fire sign, earth sign, water sign. I mean, every sign is out. I feel like there's some type of manipulation behind this, though. See, I feel like someone thinks that they have gotten away with something. And see, they're still... This could be just friends gossiping, or it can be a third party. You would know more about your story and what fits. So just kind of be careful with whoever is heading towards you. I'm also seeing like a broken phone, broken pictures, broken camera, something like that. I don't know. That's probably not for all, but I don't know. Someone is coming towards you, possibly wanting to rekindle something, but there's still some type of manipulation or something going on. So anyway, that's what I have for you, Cancer. See you in the next one.